Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a class in QuickBooks Online. This quick 5-minute process can really help you stay organized and improve your financial reporting. First, open your browser and sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure you select QuickBooks Online from the available Intuit products so you're on the right platform. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the settings gear icon in the top right corner and click it. From the drop-down menu, choose All Lists. Next, click on Classes. This will take you to the class management page where you can organize your financial categories. To add a new class, click the New button. A form will open where you can enter the details. Type in a clear and descriptive name for your class so it's easy to identify later. When you're done, click Save, and your new class will be ready to use immediately for transaction tracking and reporting. And that's how you add a class in QuickBooks Online. Using classes effectively can give you better insights into different parts of your business and make your bookkeeping much more efficient. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your financial management.